Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuhu. Myself Rumaisa Qazi, I am studying in 8th standard. My school name is Iqra International School from Secunderabad Branch. Today my topic is about growing a plant. The seed which I have taken to grow is amaranthus. First we will take a pot, then we will put the soil in it. The soil which I have taken is sandy soil. And then we will level the soil. Then we pour some water. These are amaranthus seeds. Then we cover the seeds with the soil. Then again we will level it. Then again we will pour some water. And then I will keep in front of sunlight and wait for the next